Hi, welcome to Casey Cross. I'm Casey, and this is my channel. On this channel, you'll be able to follow along on our off-road adventures, shop time, campfire time, and sometimes just horsing around. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe so you'll know when I post a new adventure. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Follow along on today's episode as we install a 4-inch lift kit on a 2004 Jeep TJ Rubicon. This is not going to be a how-to, more of a just follow along and see how it goes. First things first, put it on jack stands, take the wheels off. I'm behind the camera. I like to consider myself more management than labor. Here's Chad and his young daughter Randy. This is her Jeep. Getting ready to get the front end all wrapped up. So let's get these springs out, get the new springs in, and head on over to the back. I was pretty impressed. Randy jumped right in and grabbed a wrench. I think she wrenched a little bit more than I did, but again, on this one, I was management. Oh, maybe not so much. There I am in the background. All right, we're getting there. We got the big hammer out, beating on something. We just about have this spring out. Those little guys were in there pretty tight. It took a little persuasion to get that front spring out, but we finally got it. All right, let's speed things up just a little bit. Get moving, guys. Here we are with the new spring, the lift spring. Chad went to, I think, AutoZone and rented a spring compressor, so that thing came in pretty handy. But I tell you what, with a 4-inch lift, we really had to compress those springs to get them in. The passenger side wasn't all that difficult. Moving over to the driver's side proved to be a little more challenging. But we eventually got it all installed. Now this whole project I figured would take, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. Well, as luck would have it, pretty much took all day, and it was dark by the time we got this thing wrapped up. Oh, you're upside down, Shane. There you go. Turn around. All right, we're sitting here looking at our work, and I think we're pretty satisfied with the way it turned out. What next? What next? Oh, the rear end. Let's go. With the front springs in place, we're gonna move our attention to the rear end. Let's see what we can do. Shane hates being on camera. Oh, here we go. Hey, Shane. Oh, brother. And here we are. I was being a cook that day. I guess I could make myself helpful. It was getting a little late, so I figured folks were getting hungry. And we're wrapping it up.
It's ripped the old paper.
I'll tell you, it looks a lot better.
It does look a lot better. So this is a 2004 Jeep Wrangler TJ Rubicon that belongs to this young lady. And we just put a 4-inch lift on it. It's got 33-inch tires. And we forgot and killed the battery. We forgot and left the accessory on all day. But it looks really good. Yeah, it's Chad's fault. It looks more like a Jeep now.
This is good.
I think this would crawl any mall in the Houston area. and it may do okay on the trail too. You think?
I hope.
I hope so too.
We'll find out in about a month.